Hi, it's Adam from realitymanifestation.com. In this video, I'm going to be going through 5 powerful morning law of attraction affirmations that will also contain some slight tweaks and tips so you get the most out of these affirmations. An affirmation is basically a phrase or statement you are saying to affirm something. So you're basically affirming something to be true. With the purpose being, you're going to affirm statements that will have an empowering impact on your life if it were to be true, or it is true for you right now. Nothing we believe is necessarily true. It's just a belief. It's based on our own perceptions and model of the world, and all a belief is a feeling, and it's important for me to emphasize that, of certainty that something is or isn't true. Many people, when it comes to using the law of attraction or relying on a higher power, whether you believe in God, the universe, spirits, whatever you believe in, that you'll just simply ask and that it will be brought and manifested in your life. There's much more to it than what I'm about to say, but basically we get a reflection of who we are, and if you're trying to beg, demand a higher power to bring something to you that you're out of alignment with, you're basically fighting an uphill battle. You're trying to swim upstream. You may get the odd synchronicity manifestation related here and there, but for any significant, huge changes related to what you're intending to attract, you want to become aligned and become that version of yourself where it comes to you naturally because it's a reflection of who you are. And one way of doing this is by changing your identity, how you view yourself, and your life circumstances, which are all just beliefs. And again, a belief is just a feeling of certainty whether something is or isn't true. And one way of changing your beliefs is through affirmations, by affirming a more empowering belief to be true. And in order to get the most from your affirmations, you want to create the feeling of certainty what you're affirming is true. So in order to do this practically, I'm going to give a few tips and instructions now, and if you want to know more about getting more from your affirmations in more detail, I'm going to leave a link to a video down below. You basically want to embody the affirmation, so how you're moving your body, your posture, your facial expression matches what you're affirming, what you're focusing on, your tone of voice, and also visualizing yourself for it to be true to you, that you're living out what you're affirming. All of this combined will further enhance in creating the feeling of certainty what you're affirming is actually true, and eventually, before you know it, it will be a new belief and will be something that you are truly affirming because it is true for you. Okay, now going into the affirmations, with the first one being, I am being guided to what is in my best interest and aligned with my life's purpose. Remember, as you are saying this affirmation, you want to embody it and create the feeling of certainty that it is true for you, that you're visualizing whatever it is that you believe in, whether it's God, the universe guiding you, and seeing yourself being guided. Now the second affirmation, this is a slight alteration from an affirmation I first heard from Tony Robbins, which is, the divine wealth flows to me in avalanches of abundance. All of my needs, desires and goals are met instantaneously by infinite intelligence, as I'm one with the divine, and the divine is everything. Now with this affirmation, you want to say what resonates with you. So for example, you could say, God's wealth flows to me in avalanches of abundance. or the universe's wealth. So change any parts of this affirmation to align with what you believe in and what resonates with you. Now the third affirmation, I am a divine co-creator. I create my reality through my will and my intention. With this affirmation, you want to see yourself as co-creating, or the divine is coming through you, and what you're intending is manifesting and being attracted to you. And now the fourth affirmation, I trust my gut and intuition and know the universe is always with me, and even when things don't come to me the way I initially expect, I know I am being guided towards what is in my best interest. So again, go along with whatever resonates with you, so you could change the universe for God. Many people, when it comes to using the law of attraction or attracting things to them, they think it should come in certain ways, where the universe, again, whatever you believe in, takes the path of least resistance. So quite often things can appear to be getting worse, but things may have to turn out that way to lead us towards what we are intending. For example, you may be wanting to start a new business and you end up losing your job, but it's because of losing your job that led you towards finally starting that business, as an example. Now the fifth affirmation, I attract abundance in every sense of the word, including love, financial and spiritual abundance. Again, as you are saying any of these affirmations, embody it and make them feel true for you. And stick with the same affirmation over and over again until you start to feel it before moving on to the next one. As for affirmations to be effective, they require repetition. I hope you found this video useful. If you have, if you could like the video, and if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. Also share this video with anyone who you think will benefit from these affirmations, and comment down below of any affirmations that have worked well for you that you think will help others in the comment section. I hope you found this video useful, and I shall see you soon.